Hello students, welcome back once again in English grammar class. This is Uma Vidushi, your English teacher, and this video is in the continuation of the first part of subject-verb agreement. So in the last class, we have studied about what is subject, what is verb, and how can you identify subject and verb in the sentence. Then I have explained you the first 5 rules of subject-verb agreement. Today I am going to continue this video with the 6th rule of this topic. So without wasting much time, let's begin today's session. Here is the 6th rule of subject-verb agreement, which suggests that two singular subjects joined by either or neither nor take a singular verb. For example, either mommy or daddy is coming with me at the outboard. Neither Freddy nor Deuce is waiting for you. So when any two singular subjects are joined by these two correlative conjunctions, either or neither nor, then we use singular verb. Now let's have a look on the next rule of subject-verb agreement. According to the 7th rule, if a singular subject is followed by a phrase containing a plural noun, the verb is singular. Yes, it means that when in a sentence there is a singular subject which will be followed by a phrase, a noun phrase, and that noun phrase is plural, then in that case we will use singular verb. Like for example, one of the boys is yelling so loud. Here, one of the boys is a plural noun phrase. So in this case we will use singular verb. One of the members is against the rule. So one of the members, that is again a plural noun, which is a phrase. Of course, it's a noun phrase. So here we will use verb in singular form. So this is the 7th rule of subject-verb agreement. Now let's have a look on the next rule of this topic. The next rule suggests that the indefinite pronouns several, few, both, many, others are always plural. For example, both were asking to be freed. Several are seeking justice. Both the captains have arrived on the field. A few of the flower pots are still empty. So here both, several, a few, these all are followed by plural verbs. So they are always treated as plural. So I hope students you are able to get this point. Now there are some more indefinite pronouns like some, most, all, none are singular or plural according to the meaning of the sentence. It means that whatever will be the meaning of the sentence, as per that we have to use the verb form, right? Like some of the girls were absent. Here girls, that's here talking about many girls, more than one girl. So we are using here plural verb. Some of the ice cream is left. The ice cream, it means it is talking about one ice cream, single unit of ice cream. So it is a singular subject. That's why we will use here singular verb. So when some indefinite pronouns like most, all, none or some can be treated as singular or plural, it depends on the meaning of the sentence, right? Now let's have a look on the last rule of this topic. When any of the following indefinite pronouns is subject, the verb is singular. And what will be those indefinite pronouns? Everybody, each, no one, another, anybody, nobody, every, nothing, everything, anyone, either, neither, everyone, somebody, someone. So these all are few indefinite pronouns. When used as a subject in a sentence, the verb is always be in singular form. Like every man and woman in the hall is a member. Okay. Each of these players plays well. Either of the two teachers is good for teaching arts. Everyone knows the new neighbors now. So these are few examples where you can understand this rule very well. Now students, it's time to check your understanding about the topic with some activities. So without wasting time, let's go to the activity section. Are you excited for this activity? Here you have to choose the correct form of the verb that agrees with the subject. I will read these questions, these exercises, and I hope you will be ready with the answer, and after that we will match it also. Okay. Now the first one is, one of my sisters is or are going on a trip to France. The man with all the birds leaves on the street. The movie, including all the previews, takes about 2 hours to watch. The players as well as the captain wants to win. Either answer is or are acceptable. Now I guess you all are ready with the answers. So let's match it. How many are correct? Yes, one of my sisters is going on a trip to France, because here one of my sister, that's a noun phrase, and here it always acts as a singular subject. The man with all the birds lives on the street, because here the main subject is the man, which is a singular subject. The movie, including all the previews, takes about 2 hours to watch. So the movie is the subject and takes is also a singular verb. The players as well as the captain want to win. So as we have studied that when two subjects are joined by any intervening words as well as or such words, then in that case we have to see the first subject. So here the first subject is the players. Either answer is acceptable. So I hope students you have understood all the rules of subject verb agreement. We will do some more practice related to these rules and this topic. So wait for the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.